While everyone is super excited about agentic AI and what it has to offer, it is sometimes the little things that make a huge difference in our projects. So I want to share one of those examples with you today. In this case, the customer needed very different distribution logics that it wanted to make available to all of its users without having to go to an Excel sheet or to another app and find this somewhere. So all of this integrated into their planning app. And let's now look at this example. So let's maybe call it Christmas because we want to make this a festive one, and we will have a seasonal effect. So December will be very large. Maybe let's increase November a bit as well because after Black Friday, everybody will go shopping there as well. And now we can adjust these distribution templates however we like. And we get these beautiful sparkling lines directly in our table to indicate to the user which values do have which kind of distribution. And now we can apply these distribution logics inside of our planning table, where you can either choose to have a bulk edit and edit everything at once. So for example, now it is we have a mix of different distribution types. So now we can say maybe the black backloaded one and apply this to everything. And then you will see an instant update for all the values that are currently in there. And well, maintenance cost, that seems very festive. Let's pick that one. And let's choose the Christmas distribution here. And when we enter a new value, like let's make it easy, let's make it 120,000, then you can see we have large values in November and December, and have small values throughout the rest of the year. And this way, you can just apply these changes and choose any other logic that you want for your value that you want to use, and then you will see that the values are spread throughout the table accordingly. So if you think this might be helpful for you to have these indications and a very simple way of distributing values across large tables, because usually this is a lot more complex than this simple example, I hope you will find this very useful with Qlik and Data Plus. So if you want to see this in action, you can come find us at the AI Reality Tour from Qlik in Vienna, in Zurich, and in Düsseldorf. We would love to see you there.